Mechanical pressure switches can be supplied with a factory-set switching point. However, in most cases, users must configure this themselves. For devices equipped with a measuring element in the form of a bellows, diaphragm, or piston, manual calibration of the switching point and any hysteresis requires appropriate precision and knowledge of the adjustment procedure. However, this is not complicated. In today's episode, we will explain step-by-step how to do this. We have a PSM01 model from WIKA with us. To set the switching point, you will need a pressure source, e.g. a pressure gauge press, a pressure gauge to check the set pressure, a continuity tester, and a tool to adjust the adjustment screw, e.g. an Allen key. To avoid errors, read the documentation, check the pressure range, accuracy, and adjustment method. Screw the pressure switch into the pressure source connection and connect its electrical connections to the continuity tester or indicator light. Turn the switching point adjustment screw completely. This sets the switching point to the highest possible value. Now set the desired switching pressure for the pressure switch until the control pressure gauge shows the required value. Then turn the adjustment screw until the device switches over and the continuity tester or indicator light activates. Normally, tightening the screw results in a higher switching pressure, while loosening it results in a lower pressure. In the next step, lower the pressure until the pressure switch switches back. Then increase it again to check the switching point. If necessary, correct the switching point by turning the adjustment screw. Repeat this entire procedure until the desired switching point is reached. Finally, it is good practice to mark the switch with the set point. The situation is greatly simplified when the switch housing has a scale for setting the switching point and hysteresis, as in the PSM520 model from WIKA. Here, the setting is very intuitive, should not cause anyone any difficulty, and is immediately visible on the switch. If you have any questions or concerns while working with the devices from our offer, it is worth taking advantage of the support of the Automatica 24 team of specialists. Just contact us to get a reliable and quick answer at every stage, from selection through purchase to after-sales advice.